All right, folks, Travis from Kunes RV Green Bay here. Today we're gonna go through a Zinger Light. It's a 259 front living, okay? There's not a lot of travel trailers that come on a 25-foot length that actually have a front living, okay? Most of them are gonna have a front bedroom. So, a little bit about Zinger. Big windows on either side. There's one on this side of the coach, as well as there's one on the other side, okay? A lot of these smaller campers don't have a lot of campsite side windows. This one does. Solid entry step. This one has it. Grab handle going through the door. Prep for solar panels, okay? And it does have the extreme weather package, which would be the fully enclosed heated underbelly then as well. A cool thing that Zinger does here compared to some of its competitors is if you would have a tire blowout, okay? They actually put a aluminum piece of sheet metal here. Most manufacturers, that's still just a corrugated plastic with a wood underneath it, which would be your framework. So when your tire does blow, that's going to completely tear that all up. Zinger here with that aluminum is going to help prevent that extremely. Outside TV, cable TV output, as well as you have outlets outside. Compatible with a black tank flush here as well, okay? And then you do have some storage back here. Super size awning with LED light strip and outside speakers. Also has electric stabilizer jacks as well as an electric tongue jack as well, all right? Let's sneak inside. Alrighty, so now we are inside the 259 front living Zinger. Okay, so front living, obviously, your entertainment center is gonna be up here. So TV goes up here. You do have your sound bar / radio. Controls inside and outside speakers, storage on either side, and a whole bunch more of storage. All right, couch up here that does turn into a bed as well. Whole bunch of counter space in this model, okay? There is no shortage of storage at all. You have the storage above the sink, storage below the sink. It even has a pantry. 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Thermostat controlled AC and furnace. A lot of units this side are just going to have a thermostat control on the ceiling almost. This is obviously thermostat controlled here. Microwave's pretty standard. 3-burner with oven. Sink. Double sink, as well as the pull-on faucet here. Going to the bathroom, big shower. I'm 6'1", folks. I can stand in the shower. All right. Sink inside the bathroom. Okay, a lot of models only have the sink in the kitchen there, so you'd have to walk out of the bathroom into the kitchen to wash your hands. All right, and then you just have a standard queen-size bed here, with storage on either side and storage underneath. That is the 259FL Zinger, guys. We have a total of 9 locations. Stop down and see us. Rock and roll.